Which AI comes out on top in 2026? It's a close race, so let's break it down. On one side, you've got GPT 5.4. Released in March, it's the powerhouse behind a lot of web research and high-volume work. On the other, there's Claude Opus 4.7, Anthropic's latest model, just out in April, and it's a specialist in visual documents and agentic coding. Okay, here's the quick verdict. Go with Claude Opus 4.7 if you're a developer building complex coding agents, or you need to read detailed blueprints or dashboards, the kind with microscopic text that used to trip up older models. Its vision upgrade can handle images up to 2,576 pixels wide, and it brings agent teams to the table, so your AIs can actually coordinate in parallel. Plus, it adapts its reasoning depth on the fly, meaning no more fixed limits when you're pushing the boundaries of engineering problems. But if you need an all-rounder that won't break the bank, GPT 5.4 is still hard to beat. It's cost-efficient, with input and output prices way below Claude's, and it's the king of web research, scoring nearly 90% on the BrowseComp benchmark. GPT 5.4 also leads in computer use for browser-based tasks and offers a lineup from budget nano to high-stakes pro, so you can pick what fits. And with the new Tool Search API, it slashes token costs when using tons of external tools. So, which one's for you? If you're pushing the limits in engineering, coding, or dense visuals, Claude Opus 4.7 is your pick. If you want everyday versatility, lots of processing, or the best web research, GPT 5.4 is the smarter move, especially for the price. Pro tip. Anthropic's Claude Mythos preview is even more powerful in coding, but you'll need an invite from the Project Glasswing Consortium to get in on that.